Article 4097. The thing sold shall be understood as delivered when it is placed in the control and possession of the vendee. So in Tagalog, yung ating object, ibig sabihin delivered na siya pag binigay na yung control and possession kay buyer. So maraming different kinds of delivery. Ito yung first, actual or real delivery. For example, sa movable, hand-to-hand delivery. So sabihin, deliver sa'yo mismo yung object. So may actual or real delivery tayo. Or pwede ring dineliver sa warehouse ni seller. So may delivery din talaga tayo na actual doon. In case of immovable, taking possession of the property or yung bahay. Actual delivery din yun. And that's it. Medyo simple lang tong contract na to. Thank you and sorry na hindi pala na-record yung audio last time. Thank you!